So what are the tools we need to secure SQL Server? First, we will need to do a little bit of work outside SQL Server at the Windows level, meaning the local machine, but also the Active Directory or domain server. So for that, the tools are integrated with Windows, of course. We will see some of these tools like the Event Viewer. But now we can do everything by script using PowerShell, and we will use PowerShell at some occasion to create managed accounts, for instance. But of course, we will spend most of our time inside SQL Server. In SQL Server 2005, we had a tool named Surface Area Configuration, which helped us disabling or enabling sensitive features. This was removed in 2008 because you can obviously do it inside Management Studio, and there is no need for several tools. So now we will use SSMS for everything. Or let's say almost everything, as we will need to set things up first in the SQL Server Configuration Manager. Network protocols, ports, extended security, all things that are outside the SQL Server engine scope. And by that I mean all settings that need to be taken into account when the SQL Server service starts. And those are options recorded in the registry. But when it will be done, we will stay inside SSMS. Okay, we will also use the profiler, which is external to SSMS. But we will also use extended events, a technology that will eventually take over the profiler. So in the future, for traces too, you will stay inside SSMS. As much as we can, we will not use the SSMS administrative windows and graphical wizards. We will do it mainly using T-SQL code. For example, permissions will be set using the DCL commands. DCL stands for Data Control Language, and it is the subset of the SQL language dealing with security. Talking about T-SQL code, we will still need some dbcc commands or some system-stored procedures. But with time, all this will be replaced with pure T-SQL code and also use of dynamic management views